How to use those scans editing features on the HP PageWide XL printer series.
To begin, use the front panel and tap the Scan button. The first thing you will need to do is to configure your scan settings, such as color and resolution. Select one of the default presets or customize your own preset. Select the file format you'd like the scan to be saved in. Then, select whether you'd like to save each page as a single file or save all the pages as one multi-page PDF file. Next, type in a file name and click Continue. Next, select which destination you'd like to send the scan to.
When the page has gone through the scanner, you have to click the Release Page button before you can remove the page. When a preview of the scanned page is available, click Edit Page.
When the edit screen appears, you can modify several aspects of the scan. The things you can change include the angle of the scanned page if it is skewed. To do this, click on the Skew settings. While modifying the skew angle, a grid appears to help you align the page. You can crop the file to select or remove part of the scan. You can choose a custom size or standard size, or use the file preview to select the area you want to crop. You can also rotate the file 90, 180, or 270 degrees. You can also modify the contrast and brightness of the file to get the best scan results. When you're finished, click Done on the front panel. The scanned file will update with the editing changes you have done. When you're finished, click the Finish button. You have now finished using the post-editing feature.